friends, Cyanide here. Today I'm doing a bit of a how-to video on the classic cliche of rat rods, which is the red press sheet rims with white wool tyres. So this is a wee experiment, but basically what I'm going to do, first of all, the parts I'm using is the RC4 drive stamped 6. Doesn't really matter how many lugs there are, but stamped steel RC4 drive 1.7 for the front, and this one here is the G-made 1.9 stamped steel. So starting off with these, the tyres I'm using will be from this lot, which will be probably the old RC4 drive. So for the front I'll be using 1.7 semi-truck tyres, either these ones here or these ones here, which are the super singles pretty much, both 1.7. And on the rear, on the G-made rim, I'll be using these, which are the RC4 drive dirt grabber 1.9 tyre. So what I'll do first, actually I'll do it today, I'm about to head off, is sandblast these rims, and then I'll spray paint them with the red spray paint. The second thing I'm going to do in a few days time, maybe, I won't be doing it today, is mask these off, these tyres, give them a wee rub down with a bit of sandpaper, and use white plasti dip on the tyres. The idea of using white plasti dip I picked up off of watching a YouTube video of some Russian guys using white plasti dip to white wool their motorbike tyres, and I thought that was just a brilliant idea, because I've seen people white wool RC tyres before using normal paint, but it always cracks, you know, because of the flex in the tyre, and you get all these cracks because there's no flex. So when I seen the Russian guys using plasti dip on real motorbike tyres, I thought it was a stroke of genius, because it's a rubber coating, a rubber paint, so it will flex with the tyre. So I'm real keen to see if this will work on RC tyres, because there are no manufacturers of tyres like these RC4 drive, Proline, Pitbull and the like. No one's making white wool tyres, because basically white wool tyres are used on hot rods and rat rods, and their market is for off-road stuff, so it makes perfect sense that they don't do it. But for those of us that like to make custom stuff, it's bums dear, so make your own. So today I'll take these around to my friend's place and sandblast them, and later in the week I'll spray paint them red. I won't be doing much today other than just sandblasting these at my friend's workshop, because once I'm there and I've finished on the sandblaster, we're just going to kick back and have a few beers and shoot the shit, basically, because that's what you do with your mates on the weekend. Hey. So you won't see the sandblasting, and if you didn't have access to a sandblaster, bit of roughing them up with sandpaper would do the trick by hand. Yeah, so if this works, it might be a thing that other people may want to try on their custom builds. So without any more jibber jabber, I'm going to go and kick back my mates, get these done, and I'll, in a few days time, I'll grab the camera and film the spray painting of the rims and the masking and plasti dip painting of the tyres, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, let's go.
Please don't text in class. You know, it's the most obvious thing. I see what every one of you are doing. And if you get your head down and you're looking in your lap, pretty sure you're texting. What do you think? 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 class. You know, it's the most obvious thing. Please don't text in obvious. You know, it's the most class. You know, please don't text in class. You know, where'd you get that girly looking one? Please don't text in class. You know, it's the most obvious thing. Please don't text class. Thing. See what every one of you are doing. Head down thing. See what every one of you are doing. Head.
Come on!
Righto, so there you go. This is the semi-truck tyre with the RC4 drive OEM rim, and that is the RC4 drive dirt grabber with the G-made steel rim, and they've turned out okay. So seems to work. These are the other tyres are done, and there's plenty of flex in the plasti dip on the tyre, so I don't think there's going to be a problem there. Proof will be in the pudding, eh? It might start to crack later, but so far so good. The edges aren't as tidy as I'd like them to be. I think if I was going to do it again, I would make the mask different somehow and take it off quicker so it doesn't stick. I tried doing them again with a different method where I made a cardboard mock-up. Sorry, not a mock-up. I made a cardboard stencil and just placed it on top of the tyres and spray painted the tyres with the plasti dip and removed the stencil straight away. So because I found the way I was doing it quite tedious, and this is the results of that, and it's not too bad. The edges are a bit rough as well, but definitely a lot quicker, and I did rush it a bit, so yeah, because I'm experimenting, so I'm sure it could be done better, faster and more exact than what I did it, but it seems to work okay. So that's my little tip on how to do white wall tyres using white spray plasti dip. You get that at the hardware stores. Yeah, hopefully you find this useful, and yeah, this is going on the little red Project Red wrecker truck here. So yeah, it's coming along, bits and pieces. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and hope you found this useful, and catch you on the next one. See you later.